Hello students, me Renu, your math teacher. Now we will start our next question of exercise 6.4 chapter similar triangles of grade 10. Our question number 5th is D, E and F are respectively the midpoints of sides AB, BC and CA of triangle ABC. Find the ratio of the areas of triangle DEF. When we join this triangle DEF, this triangle, we have to find the ratio of area of this triangle DEF to area of triangle ABC. So that means we have to firstly prove that these two triangles, this small triangle DEF and this big triangle ABC similar. तभी हम उनकी एरियाज की जो है कंपैरिजन कर पाएंगे बिकॉज इफ दीज टू ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर देन एरियाज ऑफ रेशियोज ऑफ सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Clear this thing? So now we start firstly we start in triangle ABC. D and E are the midpoints. Here in triangle ABC, D, E are the midpoints of side. DE किसका midpoint? D point किसका है midpoint? AB का and E जो है वो BC का respectively. Clear? So in 9th grade we have done the theorem that in a triangle when we join the midpoints of two sides of triangle, that line is parallel to the third side and equal to half of it. So in triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of BC. So this line DE is parallel to third side AC and is equal to half of it by midpoint here. Therefore, DA is equal to half of AC by midpoint theorem. Clear? This is parallel and equal to half of it. This implies DE over AC is equal to 1 by 2. Limit as 1. Same as it when we take an E and F. When we take an E and F are the midpoints of side BC and AC. The line joining this EF is parallel to third side AB and equal to half of it. Here similarly EF is equal to half of AB, then EF over AB is equal to 1 by 2. Same as it third, when D and E are the midpoints, when we join these two midpoints D and F are the midpoints of AB and AC. So then this line is parallel to third side, that is BC, and equal to half of it. Same as it. Similarly, DF is equal to half of BC and DF over BC. The ratio is equal to half. Now what you observe from first, second and third, the ratios of these three sides are equal to 1 by 2. So that means from first, second and third, what will you observe? That DE over AC is equal to EF over AB equal to DF over BC. Though all are equal to half. So in triangle ABC and DEF, all corresponding sides have the same ratios. Clear? All corresponding sides have the same ratio. That means they are in the same proportion. So triangle DEF and triangle ABC are said to be similar. So therefore, all sides are in the all corresponding sides. Clear? We can write it as all corresponding sides are in the same proportion, same ratio. So therefore, triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC by SSS similarity. Clear? Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the ratios of areas of DEF and ABC. अब हमने ट्राइंगल सिमिलर तो प्रूव कर दिए. अब सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स की रेशियो किसके इक्वल होती है? Ratios of squares of their corresponding sides. Then now these two triangles are said to be similar. So their areas of triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. Clear? So therefore, area of triangle DEF over area of triangle ABC. This is equal to ratios of their corresponding sides, squares of their corresponding side. You can take any pair, DE square over AC square, because all sides are in the same proportion. Clear? Because triangles are similar, so you can take any one pair. So now DE over AC, DE over AC इसकी वैल्यू क्या है? 1/2. We can put here 1/2, और ये स्क्वायर है, we can write the square. इकट्ठा स्क्वायर आ जाएगा. 1 का स्क्वायर क्या बन गया? 1 1 1, और 2 का स्क्वायर 2 2 4. Clear? So that means a ratios of triangle DEF over area of triangle ABC, these are equal to 1/4. That's your answer. Clear?